Hi, good evening all. Welcome back to Easy Classes. Today we have to discuss about some important questions that are commonly found in competitive exams. We have to find it in a tricky manner. Tricky solution for about 15 commonly found questions. Okay, let's start with the first question. The first question is commonly found in many competitive exams like SSC, CGL, PSC and bank test, etc. etc. The question is, find the square root of root 3, square root of root 3 and its square root of root 3, etc. Okay, to find its solution, first we take the question as we have to find the value of root 3, square root of root 3, square root of root 3, square root of root 3, etc. Then its value we taken as x. Okay, this question is taken as x. Then we have to find the square root of both sides. Okay, first we taken as square root of root 3, square root of root 3, square root of root 3, etc. as x, and both the LHS and RHS, left hand side and RHS, we have to find its square root. So we write root 3 square root of root 3 square root of root 3 etc. square is equal to x square. Then what is the square root of root 3? The first root 3 is square root of root 3 into root 3 and its square root of root 3 etc. is equal to x square. Root 3 into root 3 is equal to 9. Root 9 its square root is equal to 3. Then the question is converted into 3 root of 3 square root of root 3 square root of root 3 square root of root 3 etc. is equal to x square. Here in the beginning of the question we take root 3 square root of root 3 square root of root 3 square root of 3 square root of 3 square root of 3 is equal to x. Here we take this value as x. 3x, this is equal to x, hence 3x is equal to x square. 3x is equal to x square, then 3 is equal to x square by x. X and x are cancelled, only one x is remaining, hence x is equal to 3. Hence the value of x is equal to 3. The answer of this question, options are 3 root 3, 2 root 3, 3 root 3. Answer is 3. Okay, clear? Here instead of 3 the number is 4, the answer becomes 4. Instead of 4 the number is 2, the answer is 2. Any number in the we have to find this question. Here instead of 3 any number is given, the answer is the given number itself. Clear? There is no need to calculate it in many ways. Very quickly we have find the answer, that the answer is the number itself, 3. Clear? Next we have to deal with the second question, a very huge question. Okay, second question is we have to find the root 2 and its root 2 and its root 2 and its root 2. There are 4 square root are present. Okay, how is it possible? How we can solve it in quick manner? Okay, let's start. So here how we can solve this problem? Okay, first we have to find the 48th power of this value. First we take the number 48. This power is 48 and we divide this 48 power by 2. Then we get first square root is cancelled. Then we get 24. Then we find again the Again we divide this value by 2. The second square root is cancelled. We get the answer 12. And we again divided 12 by 2. The third square root is cancelled. We get the answer 6. And next is the fourth square root. We again divided the 6 by 2. We get 3. Okay. We get the value 3. Then we have to find we get the value 3. Then next step we have to find the cube, third power of the 2. Which number is 2. It's the third power. We have to find the third power of the 2. 2 raised to 3 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 8. Hence the answer is 8. The value or the answer of this question is 8. Okay, clear? In the first step we divided the 48 by 2. We get 24. We again calculate 24 by 2. Here this repeated this process for 4 times because here there are 4 square roots are present. Then we get the value 3 and we have to find the third power of this letter 2 and the answer is 8. Clear? Okay. Next we have to lead with another question, percentage. Okay. What is the 7% of 106? Okay. The symbol, this 106, 105, 209, this type of questions we have get an answer very quickly. The trick is, first we have to multiply 7 with 1. 7 into 1 is equal to 7. The options of this question are 7.42, 7.82, 6.42, 9.31. Okay. What is the answer? We have to find the answer of this question. First, in a tricky manner, we have to multiply 7 into 1 is equal to 7. 0.7 into 6 is equal to 42. The answer is 7.42. The next question, 6% of 104. We have solved it very quickly. 6 into 1 is equal to 6 and 0.6 into 5 is equal to 6.30. The next question, 8% of 209. 8 into 2 is equal to 16. 0.8 into 9 is equal to 8 into 9, 72. The answer is 16.72. Very simple. Okay. Next we have to deals with another type of question in percentage. 25% of 800. We can find the answer very quickly. Simply divide the 800 by 4. The answer is 200. The 25% of 800 is 200. Then what is the 25% of 324? Simply divided the 324 by 4. We get the answer. The answer is 81. Answer is 81. Which is the 25% of 268. The answer is 268 divided by 4. 7 into 4, 28. 6 into 4, 24. Remaining 2, 28, 7, 67. This is the simple method to calculate the 25% of any number. Simply divide the given number by 4. Clear? Next we have to deal with another type of questions. The repeated question. The question which is seen in the competitive exam very commonly. Okay. The question is x plus 1 by x is equal to x plus 1 by x is equal to 4. Then find the value of x square plus 1 by x square. Okay. First we have to know about some combinations of plus, minus, etc. etc. So in this type of question, if plus and plus are in the question. Here plus, here plus. Then in the answer, the value is negative. In the answer, we have to minus. Here, if the symbols are negative and positive, then the answer, in the answer we have to add. In the question, first plus and then negative, here plus, here negative, then in the answer we have to add. If both symbols here are negative and negative, the answer becomes plus. Only in the cases negative is or minus is happen when both the symbols are plus. Okay, this we have to recognize or recall in this in our mind. Okay, let's start with the question. First, question is x plus 1 by x is equal to 4. Then find the x square by 1x square. So the number here, the number is 4. We have to find the square of the 4 minus 4 square minus this number 2. Okay, then 16 minus 2, the answer is 14. The options in the question are 16, 14, 15, 10. The answer is 14. How we can calculate it? First, the value x plus 1 by x is equal to 4. Here, if the value is 5, we have to take 5 square minus the 2 in the x square plus 1 by x square. Why we take negative value or minus? Why we minus these two values? We have already tell that in the questions plus and plus, we have to minus the values in the solution. Okay, then the answer is 14. Clear? X plus 1 by x is equal to 4. Then find the value x square plus 1 by x square. How we can calculate it? First, plus to plus, we have to minus 4 square minus this value 2. 16 minus 2 is equal to 14. Clear? Next question is x plus 1 by x is equal to 3. Then find the value x square plus 1 by x square. X plus 1 by x is equal to 3. Then find x square plus 1 by x square. Okay, x plus 1 by x is equal to 3. Then plus and plus are, then we have to minus, subtract the values. Okay, first 3 square. We take 3 and its square, 3 square minus 2. Okay, we have to take 3 square minus 2 is equal to 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. Okay, options are 2, 7, 1 minus 2. Answer is 7. Clear? Next we have to answer we have to find the question. We have to find the answer of this question. X plus 1 by x is equal to 4. Then find the value of x square plus 1 by x square. Here instead of plus, this plus is replaced by x minus 1 by x. What is the answer of this question? Minus and plus. Then we have to add the values. Okay, x minus 1 is equal to x minus 1 by x is equal to 4. Then 4 square. Here minus and plus, we have to add the numbers, and 2 is equal to 16 plus 2 is equal to 18. Option 12. The options are 12, 16, 18 and 14. If we put minus, the answer become 14. 14 is not correct answer. Here the symbols are minus and plus, so in here we have to add the numbers. The answer is 18. Clear? Next we have to find the cube root. Okay, in the previous question we find x square plus 1 by x square. Here we have to find x cube plus 1 by x cube. How we can calculate it? Okay, let's start. x plus here x plus 1 by x is equal to 2. So we take 2, the value 2. We have to find the square root, not the square root. We have to find the cube root. 2 raised to 3 minus not 2 raised to 3 minus not 3. In previous we have 2 raised to 2 minus 2 ആണ്. Here 2 raised to 3 minus 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Okay, clear? In the case of to find x cube plus 1 by x cube, we have to find first the cube root of the given number plus or minus the given number into its given number into the third power. Into the third power, we have to find the third power of x. So 2 into 3. Okay, 2 raised to 3, first find the cube root of 2, then minus here the value plus and plus, so we have to minus, and 2 into the third power 6. So the answer is 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Options are 2, 8, 14, 64. The answer is 2. Clear? We have to calculate one more question in this form. Okay, x minus 1 by x. Okay, so we have to find the cube root. 5 cube minus 5 into 3 is equal to 15. Here not minus, both symbol are minus, so here we have to add these two number. 5 into 5 into 5 is equal to 125 plus 15 is equal to 140. The given options are root 2, 140, 2, 1. The answer is 140. Okay, clear? First we have to take this number itself, value itself 5, and to find the cube root of this value, plus here minus and minus, and we have to add, and 5 into 3 is equal to 15. Clear? Next question is fourth power of the x. If the value of x plus 1 by x is equal to 3, then we have to find the fourth power, x raised to 4 plus 1 by x raised to 4. Here 4 is equal to 2 into 2. We have to calculate it in a 2 times. Okay, it is entirely different from the another two methods, power x square cases or x cube cases. Okay, here let's start. First we have to find x plus 1 by x is equal to 3. Appo we have to find 3 and its a square. First we have to take this 2. 3 square minus 2. In the first case, x square minus 1 by x square cases 3. First we have to find the square of this number, minus, here we take minus because both are plus, minus 2. Then we get the value 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. Then we again find the square root of this value, 7 square minus, again subtract the second 2 is equal to 49 minus 2 is equal to 47. The given options are 120, 123, 47, 0. The answer is 47. Here x raised to 4 is the multiplication of 2 into 2. In the first case, x square plus 1 by x square case, that type of first step is the repetition of first method. 3 square minus 2. We get 9 minus 2. Then we again find the square of this given value. Then subtract the second 2 from it. Then we get the value 49 minus 2 is equal to 47. Clear? These are the 3 important type of question. Which are they? x plus 1 by x is equal to 3. Then find the value of x square plus 1 by x square. We have to recall the symbols. Plus the answer. We have to subtract. If minus and plus are 1, then we have to add the values. Plus and minus, addition, minus and minus, plus. Only in the case of plus and plus, we have to subtract the values. Okay. In the cases of x plus 1 by x, first to find the square root of the given value 3 square, then subtract the 2 from it. In the case of second case, cube root x minus 1 by x, first we find the cube root of the given value, then the given value into 3 plus or minus the given value into third power or 3. This is in the case of x cube minus 1 by x cube. Then the last case, x raised to 4 plus x raised to 4 plus 1 by x4, x raised to 4 minus 1 by x4. In this case, just repetition of the first step, we have to done it 2 times. First we have to find the given numbers square root minus 2. Then we get the value. We find the square root of the given value and subtract 2 from it or add 2 from it. Clear? This is the short tricks method for this type of question. Next, we have to discuss about the one question related to compound interest. In the previous class, we already discussed the short tricks to calculate the compound interest. The Pascal's triangle method. If we have to calculate the compound interest for 2 years, the number is 121. 3 years, the number is 1331. If we calculate the compound interest for 4 years, the number is 14641. Okay, that type of question there is a twist, not in direct manner. In this type of question, some diversions are in the link questions. Okay, here a person deposited 8,000 rupees in a bank at the rate of 20% for 9 months. This is the twist in this case. In this question, the twist is 9 months, not 1 month, not 2 months, not 1 year, 2 year, 3 year. Here he deposited the money is for 9 months. In compound interest method, calculate the amount he get after 9 months. Okay, all of you know that if 6 months it is deposited in half yearly manner. If for 3 months it is deposited in quarterly manner. If this person is deposited for 9 months, so it meant for he deposit the money in quarterly manner. 3 plus 3 plus 3 in 3 quarters. He deposited the money in quarterly manner, so he get compound interest 3 times in 9 months. Clear? So this is the twist in this question. So we have to find the answer. First, the principal amount is 8,000 and rate is 20. Here rate is 20, but he deposit the amount in quarterly manner. So we have to divide the 20% by 4. Hence the percentage is, the rate is become 5%. This is the twist. We do not apply 20% directly in the R value. Okay, clear? Next, the duration or time is 9 months. 9 months is equal to 9 by, we convert it into annually, 9 by 12 into 4. Why we divide 9 by 12 are multiplied by 4? Because it is deposited in quarterly manner. Then is equal to 4 and 3. 9 by 12 into 9 by 12 into 4. 4 into 3, 3. T is equal to 3. Clear? Okay. Then we apply this value directly into the equation. There is no need of equation. We calculate it in a shortcut manner. If it is for 3 quarters, we consider it as 3 years. 3 years For 3 years, the number is 133. Why we select these numbers? Because in an year, he deposited the amount in quarterly manner. So, he deposited for 9 months. So, 3 quarters are in 9 months. So, we taken the value 1331. Usually, we taken for 3 years. Okay. Then, our shortcut method, the amount 8,000. First, we have to find the 5% of the 8,000 is equal to 400. 8,400. Then find the 5% of 400 is equal to 20. Then again find the 5% of 20. 2 is equal to 1. Then we have to add this number 8,000 plus 400 plus 20 plus 1. The amount he get after 9 months is equal to 9,421. Okay, 421 rupees are the compound interest. Okay, 421 rupees more added to his profit, his principal amount. So the compound interest is 421. Clear? So these are the questions that we have calculated it very quickly if it is in our question paper. Okay, clear? Thank you.